chasing wind, breaking drove our way through every state to keep our minds at ease. All that we did, time traveling, we found oh little light, I found you.
It's also referred to elephants here.
In all the years we'll still be dreamers wide awake. We're just a storm, calm as the waves, kissing the shore. Oh, my star, we've never fled with no return. We fly away, come back again. Come back home. Oh, little light, I found you. Never saw you coming. We were always running. Okay. Never saw you coming. We were always running, but here we are, here we are. Here we are. Found you.
Woke up this morning with the sunrise in my eyes. Just like a new day, a breath of fresh air in my life. I don't know how, don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life. My boots and briefcase are waiting at the door.
Lion.
My ride sweeter to meet the one I love. I don't know how, don't know why, but all the time here and now. I played the dice right and let the good times roll.
There was a step there.
Oh, finishing soon.
Okay.
One me and one dream.
And
Ever
we
it's our
are
show.
Finished. Danished.
I don't know how and don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.
Yay!
Luisimo.
We did it!
I hope you guys enjoy the video. This site wasn't particularly hard. We started off at the bus stop near Alexandra Road, went up the slope and entered the trail. We ended up doing this trail within 2 hours and 30 minutes, which wasn't that bad considering we had to stop and pause due to me shooting and going back to the camera. I shot this with my ACT500 with a rented 10 to 18 Sony f4 lens. The ultra wide angle lens worked well most of the time because I was capturing mainly landscapes and nature, but I kind of miss the long end of it. So thanks for listening to this little ramble of mine and watching this little home video. Alright,